Hi lovelies, I hope you're all doing well. Join me in the kitchen and let's make a delicious salt and pepper drumsticks recipe. For this delicious recipe, these are the ingredients I will be using. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So as you can see, I have my chicken drumsticks in my bowl. To season the chicken, I just sprinkled 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a bit of brown sugar, chicken seasoning, chili and garlic seasoning, Old Bay seasoning, chili powder, 1 chicken cube, light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. The soy sauce will add an umami flavor to the chicken while marinating. So you can use any seasonings to infuse flavor into the chicken. After the chicken pieces are well coated, cover the bowl with a cling film. Keep it in the fridge and marinate it for an hour or 2. Next, I will go ahead and pour my corn flour in a Ziploc bag. I am using corn flour as I don't have cornstarch. The corn flour will give the chicken a light, crispy crust. So after you have marinated your chicken for an hour or longer, it's time to remove them from the fridge. At this point, I will go ahead and dredge each piece of the chicken drumsticks into the corn flour to give it a light, crispy crust. While dredging the chicken, make sure to heat your oil. You want to make sure to shake off any excess flour before frying. I will check if my oil is hot using the end of my wooden spoon. If you look closely, you can see tiny bubbles, which is an indication that the oil is hot. Let's add the chicken drumsticks in the oil carefully. Fry for 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. Turn the chicken pieces so each side fries equally. After 10 to 12 minutes, the chicken should be crispy and golden in color. Let's remove them from the oil and let the excess oil drain. I would like to say a quick thank you for all the support given to this channel. I truly appreciate it. It's time to stir fry the aromatic vegetable to serve with the chicken drumsticks. Instead of using oil, I will add 1 tablespoon of butter in my wok. Once it's melted, I will go in with my sliced onion. Stir fry the onion for a minute on medium-high heat. After a minute, go in with your garlic cloves. I sliced mine. This will add flavor and aroma to the chicken. Stir fry for another minute. Now let's add the green finger chilies. You can either use serrano chilies or jalapeno chilies, and then you want to stir fry for a minute. For flavor, I will use chili and garlic seasoning and shrimp cube. Once I've added my seasonings, I will mix till it's well combined. So here I have peri-peri salt. You can also use just salt to season the veggies. And then I will go in with my scallions. When the flavors are infused, toss in the chicken drumsticks with the stir-fried veggies. Keep stirring till all the chicken drumsticks are fully coated with the seasonings. This recipe is affordable, quick to make, and of course, delicious. Serve as a side or appetizer. Food is ready and it's time to plate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.